Hello, my name is Martin Salto. I'm the co-CEO and co-founder of Space Solar, a startup based at Harwell near Oxford in the UK, and we're developing space-based solar power, the ultimate form of clean energy from space. My background is in the aerospace and space sector. Early on I had a year with Martin Marietta in Florida on space systems. I got to see a space shuttle launch, and that period really ignited my excitement about the space sector. A colleague and I set up the Space Energy Initiative, a coalition of the willing across energy and space, advocating strongly for space-based solar power. And we established Space Solar to lead the development program. We've met some incredible people on this journey who are supporting us and working with us. I'm privileged to be a member of the International Academy of Astronautics Permanent Committee on Space-Based Solar Power, and it's even more awesome to be a member of the Spaceverse community. See you at Spaceverse.